Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we are taking a look at my Birchbox subscription. Now this is going to be featuring the March 2024 box. As you can tell, it's a little slow on shipping and it has just arrived. But I am excited to check this out because this is my first box that I have received since signing up for this subscription. So I'm excited to check it out. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. I honestly have had a rocky history with Birchbox in the past, but I'm just going to give them the benefit of the doubt. We're going to try it out. We're going to check it out today and we're going to see what's inside. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you. Right now, you can actually get your very first box for only $10 and free shipping, which is a pretty good deal considering this box does retail for $20 a month right now, and it is a beauty box, so we are supposed to have beauty items inside of it. Now, like I said, I have had a rocky history with Birchbox in the past. Birchbox has been owned by at least 3 different owners, and every time I've given the new owners a chance, and then it seems like something happens and they stop shipping boxes out, and then I get upset and then I cancel, and now I'm on with a new owner and I'm like, okay, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna see if this actually works out or not. So this box is my March box. I was able to customize it when I signed up, and then like I said, it does ship late, so I didn't receive it until the first week of April, and now I'm just getting to actually unboxing this. At the very least though, if I just get a couple of good products in here for 10 bucks, I'm okay with it. Like, I will be happy if we get 1 or 2 items because it will pay for that $10 price point. So this is what it looks like inside of my box when I open it up. I do love the new packaging, the new look of everything. I really like the layout, so I like what they're doing with that. So we do have a booklet here, and this booklet says that there's a few products that they love that could be in our box this month. So these are the items that were available, and they did have more than this to customize from. These are just some of the options that they had. I do think this card is nice. From a reviewing aspect, I like the way the box is presented. I like the card, I like the packaging of the box, so I do appreciate all of that. This is what it looks like for my items down below. First item is from Floss. This is their Brighten Up Highlighter. This is a full-size product. So Floss is a cruelty-free and vegan brand, and they make a lot of different beauty products. This one, though, is their highlighter. It's called Sunbeam, which is a rose gold highlight with an ultra-fine gold pearl, it says. So I like the idea of this highlighter. This is what it looks like here. So it's an acrylic case. And then down below is our highlighter. Ironically, it said rose gold, but I think it's more golden. Like, I don't see a whole lot of rose in here. I'm going to do a swatch with this because maybe the rose will be more apparent after I use it. Now, it is a cream formula, so it is smooth and ultra creamy. But again, I don't see rose at all. So I don't think this is Birchbox's fault. I definitely think Floss might be a bit confused. And it says Sunbeam on the back of this as well, so it's not like they put the wrong product in the wrong box. But I do think the highlighter is gorgeous. It is so smooth and creamy. Beautiful color there. I love the way it catches the light. That is what you want a highlighter to do. I like it. Outside of the name being a little weird, I think it's a really good highlighter. Next item in the box is a fragrance. This is from Ellis Brooklyn, and it is called Myth. Now, I think I chose this item for my box, but I can't really remember because it's been a while since I customized this. I mean, it's probably been a month ago at least since I chose my products. So this is 5 ml, and this is what your fragrance bottle will look like. So it doesn't really say what we're supposed to smell with this. So I'm not really sure what the fragrance notes are, but let's see here. It's a roller ball inside, and I'll just do a little swatch here. Oh, it's strong. It's like a strong perfume scent. I do think it will last all day long, but I don't really know what it is. It just smells like alcohol in a weird way. So I'm not really sure what the notes are supposed to be because it's just strong. Like I smell it and I'm like, oh, that's really strong perfume. Well, that's a bummer. I don't know if I like this. So I would have to Google this to find out what the notes are on this fragrance, but it's just a really strong alcohol scent. Next up, we have from Laura Geller. This is the Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation. So we have their baked foundation in here. I like it. So the shade is tan. There is a little mirror up here at the top of this compact. So these baked products are what Laura Geller really got famous for. She had like a baked highlighter and a blush that were gorgeous years ago. I didn't know that they even made any foundations, so this is different. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick swatch. Now this is a powder formula, but what I love about these powder formulas is they're very smooth. So they go down very lightweight, very creamy. I feel like even if you didn't want to use this as a foundation, you could use it as a bronzer because it's a beautiful color. And with that highlight, is that not gorgeous? I gotta tell you guys, I really like the items we've had so far though in this box. I mean, the brand names in here are decent. They're middle of the road. I don't feel like they're drugstore. They're not high-end luxury, but they are decent. For 10 bucks, I think I'm doing okay so far. Next item is from Kiehl's. Well, I take it back. We do have some luxury in here. This is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask with white clay inside of it. So this is 0.5 ounces. All right, I love it. I love that we have a brand like this. So, like I said, I've had this subscription in the past. For many, many years, I have tried Birchbox. I can also tell you guys that these are different brand names than what I saw in previous years. So this is new product. And I like that a lot. I like that they have new inventory here to work with. So if you have any issues with like enlarged pores, it could be that they're just clogged and they have makeup or dirt or debris just stuck inside of them. That's the idea behind this type of a mask, is that it will do a deep cleanse and really draw all of that out of your pores, which will minimize the look of them and reduce that appearance. So these are masks that are great to have on hand, especially when you need it, like in an emergency situation. So I will usually keep these around. I don't use them all the time just because they are a stronger treatment typically. And because it has clay, it can also dry your skin out. So just make sure you follow up with a moisturizer afterwards. Sometimes you may not experience anything. Sometimes people will have an issue with dryness. So it really does vary by person to person. But I love that we have this brand in here, and there is a good amount in here. I mean, 14 mil of product, that's enough to try this a couple of times. So last item inside of my Birchbox today is another product from Kiehl's. This is their Ultra Facial Cream. So I was just saying follow up with a moisturizer after the mask, and voila, there is a moisturizer in this box. So this is their very intense moisturizer, and some people love this. It is a very popular one. I can't use this product because it's too strong. It's too much moisture for my skin, and my skin just gets oily afterwards. So if you have really dry skin, you will probably love this moisturizer. You can buy it at Sephora. It's a great brand. It's a really good hydrator. So I do recommend it, but I would only recommend it for dry skin, if you know what I mean. So that is everything inside of my Birchbox today for March. Gotta say, you guys, this is like a whole new Birchbox. These are better brands and better products than what I had previously with Birchbox, like over a year ago. So honestly, I'm shocked. And for $10, I felt like this was a decent box of products for that amount. So if you would like to try Birchbox out and get a box of goodies for only $10 in your first box, like I said, I have that link down below along with a discount code. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I want to see more, so I'm going to keep my subscription. I did customize for April already, so I know that box will be coming, but I'm going to keep this on my channel just because I want to see what else they're going to include. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!